Guess what I have applied on my skin? So, before starting a facial, I needed a pre-facial prep. So this is a D-tan therapy peel off mask. Whoa! How awesome it is! Just 5 steps and your face will glow like a pearl. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries off, and then gently will massage it and wipe it off. My face is already wet, so I'll just massage my face with this cleanser for 2 minutes and then we'll wipe it off. On the moist skin, this is the second step. Lighten your skin with this massage cream. And let it absorb into your skin. Just massage it gently and let it absorb into your skin. The last and the final step is polish. It's a mask. It forms and tones your skin. So just apply it as a layer on your face. But here, this is the last step in the facial. Just apply it on the face, leave it for 15 minutes and relax. Go to sleep. See you after 15 minutes. So this is the final face. Look at how it's glowing.